Graffix Pro Studio is the must-have tool for anyone who wants to avoid learning a complicated graphics program or who wants a quick and easy method for performing routine tasks. Graffix Pro Studio is an image adjusting, color replacing, text creating, quote generating, and administrative production tool, all wrapped up in a single program. Many images, such as JPEG images, contain a solid background. Graffix Pro Studio makes it very easy to remove a background and make it transparent so the area does not print. The first step is to load an image. To do so, click on the image icon and choose Upload Image. Choose the desired image and click Open. The design will appear on the garment. Click on the Recolor tool to begin the editing process. Move the selection icon to the background area. Now click on the Make Transparent icon and the area becomes transparent. To replace all areas of the same color, click on the All Areas button, then click on Make Transparent. Click Save and then you are returned to the home screen. The background area has now been removed and will not print. Graffix Pro Studio makes it very easy to delete unwanted pixels or areas within a design. Load the image. Click on the Recolor tool. Make the background transparent. And now click on the eraser. Adjust the eraser size. And click and drag to remove unwanted areas. When finished, click on the eraser and click on Save. To add new text, click on the Text tool and type in the new text. Replacing a color with another can be very cumbersome with complicated graphic programs. Graffix Pro Studio makes color replacement super easy. Load an image. Adjust sizing, and then click on the Recolor icon. First, make the background transparent by moving the selection icon to the background and clicking on Make Transparent. Repeat as needed. All areas can't be selected, or the eyes, teeth, and tip of nose would also become transparent. Now that the background is transparent, let's change some colors. Once the selection icon is in the proper location, click on the Change Color button and choose from a list of pre-selected colors, or click on the Sample button to select your own color. The Sample button can also take a sample color from the image and duplicate it. Now move to the inside of the lettering and choose a darker blue from pre-selected colors and repeat for all the letters. Now choose Save to return to the home screen. Graffix Pro Studio turns this into this in just a few keystrokes. Let's check it out. First, select the image icon and choose to load the image. Next, click on the text tool, enter the desired text, and then click on the Add Text button. The next step is to choose the appropriate font, make any size adjustments, and then adjust the colors. To adjust the text color, click on the color icon next to the text and choose Gradient. Click on the first color, choose Sample, and choose the first color of the gradient. Then, click on the second color, choose Sample once again, and choose the last color of the gradient. Adjust the direction of the gradient. And finally, add effects such as borders and shadows. It's that easy. Create names and numbers with the push of a button with Graffix Pro Studio. Create your initial design with a name and number, and then click on Output. You can add each line independently under Variable Data, or you can click on Import and import a spreadsheet. Add to cart, and each name is displayed. Submit the order, verify the output, and start printing. Sending a quote to a customer is no problem with Graffix Pro Studio. Once you have your design complete, click on the Proposal button, give it a template name, and then fill out the information. You can make additions or deletions to this form. You can enable tiered pricing, you can include copyright information, an order confirmation, include a signature line, and an expiration date for the quote. You can also put terms and conditions, and then when you're finished you can print the quote or save it as a PDF. Graffix Pro Studio offers two great ways to send the design to the printer. The first way is simply by clicking on the print button. This opens up the Brother print driver and allows you to make any settings changes. Clicking on Send would send the file directly to the printer. The other method is to output the design to an administrative panel. To do this, click on Output, name the job, and submit the order. Fill out any information, click OK. You'll see a preview of the design. If you have multiple sides of the garment decorated, you'll see multiple sides of the garment on the preview. Click Submit, and the order is sent to the administrator. The administrator is accessible through any local web browser. This provides a buffer between design and printing. I can click on the order, send it to the printer, or I can select it and change the status. So for example, if I want to mark this paid, I can come in and mark it paid. From here, I can click on it, select it, print a worksheet, or send it directly to the printer. For more information regarding Graffix Pro Studio, please reach out to your salesperson, email us, call us, or visit our website